How to turn off notifications in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can find this profile icon. Tap on this profile icon, and here on the right top, you can find this three dot icon. Select on this three dot icon. Now, on the bottom, there's a section of settings. Tap on settings. So basically, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of notifications. Tap on it. Now, in order to turn it down, here you can simply tap on the one that you want to turn it off. So there are different subcategories that are available. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. So simply tap on the one and it will be turned off. At last, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.